Do you know coding is not just developing mobile applications and desktop software? Codes can be found in cars, aeroplanes, smart and medical devices. In fact, coding is not complicated. With open online course platform like Udemy, Coursera and YouTube, anyone can learn and pick up coding. However, coding is not for everyone. This fun test self-assessment API evaluate your personality traits and let you know if coding is for you. Technical coding skills is not enough to be a successful programmer. Individuals are required to possess other personality traits like patience, passion, creativity and logic. The passion to devote your time to code, being patient to debug, being creative on your design, and being logical on your syntax. Let us go through the Excel questions and see if you have the coding caliber. To create this API, we will be using AlchemyJ, which is an Excel add-in that can turn Excel business model into API. This way you can integrate your Excel model into other applications. You can download this add-in for free at AlchemyJ.io. First, do you prefer a solo free and easy trip or a group guide tour? When you face an issue at work, will you solve it by using your initiative or seek your reporting manager for a solution? Second, to kill your spare time, is the puzzle video games the go-to game you choose to play on your mobile or desktop devices? Third, most software programs nowadays run online for 24 hours, 7 weeks and 365 days. The programmers must debug and fix the system when it is down after office hour. Fourth, was Lego your favorite toy when you were a toddler? Or you were in the IT club during your school days? Or perhaps you had even experience building your personal computer by yourself. Fifth, do you find pleasure in doing routine work or does it bore you down? Sixth, if one of your project works did not go well as planned and there was a delay in timeline, will you feel impatient about it? Lastly, will you pay close attention to the details in all work and tasks assigned to you? Are you the person who will have your work checked through twice and more before submission? I understand that coding is not for everyone, but I will try this self-assessment Excel and see if I am destined to be one. This is the self-assessment tool I created in Excel. Let's try it out. You are independent and like doing things yourself. B. Agree. Working with an experienced individual may bound to have idea crashes, while an inexperienced individual may create unintentional mistakes. The puzzle is your favorite video game genre. Agree. B as well. A few of my favorite puzzle games include Sudoku, Tetris, Rubik's Cube and of course, Jigsaw Puzzle. You prefer normal working hours, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. For this, I will have to go with B again. Agree. I am a person who strongly believes in work-life balance. You enjoy experimenting and exploring new ideas. A. I strongly agree with this. There are so many more things to explore than what was shown in the media or online. You enjoy doing routine work. D. Disagree. If a work is too repetitive, I will eventually quit and move on to another job with more versatility. You are a patience person. C for me. I can be patient at times but not always. You always pay attention to the details in your work. A. Strongly agree. I ensure my work is done with 100% effort and was checked before any submission. So, what do I get? 48. Moderate. Your personality traits have shown signs of a coder. Try working on a programming project and decide if you wish to pursue this career. Guess, I will have to free up my weekend to work on a programming project. We can now convert this Excel file into API using AlchemyJ. We are speeding up the process here. If you want to know how to do it in detail, check out the links in the description box below. The API is now ready. To test the API, I have created a user interface that calls the API to get the question list and to calculate the score. You can create a web page or a mobile app to call the REST API as you wish. When I click this button, it will call the API to get the result and display it on this test result page. To see the actual API, open this API documentation which AlchemyJ automatically generates. It is an open API format. You can even try the API using this page. So there you have it. This Excel template is available for download on our website. You may go to AlchemyJ.io, sign in or sign up for an account if you haven't done so. You will find this template and many more interesting templates under the resource section. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe for more. Tell us what you think about this template under the comment section. See you soon in the next video.